So now we are going to discuss about quadratic equation. So what exactly the quadratic equation, how we will identify quadratic equation. So ax square, so we'll write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is an equation where we have the variable a, b and c. Okay, these variables are real number. These variable are real number where a not equal to 0 and the degree of this one, degree of equation is equal to 2. So that is known as the quadratic equation. So this now we will come into the equation that we have written. So the equation that we have written over here, this is known as the what we said, this is known as the standard form also. Standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, so now what we are going to discuss, first of all, the point that we are going to discuss, how we will check whether an equation is a quadratic equation or not. So let's have, basically we have x minus 2 square plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. What we need to do, we need to prove that, we need to check that whether this equation is a quadratic equation or not. So what we will do here, you will see this is equal to, let's take an example over here. So this is, assume this is a and this is b. So we can apply here the formula of a square minus b square. So that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so what we will do, we'll solve this equation over here. So let's start with solving this one. So this is the formula. So we'll solve this one, x square plus 4 minus 2 into, okay, so value of a is 1 and value of this one b is 2. Okay, so that we solved, plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So when we solve this one, x square plus 4, and now we will do it here. So this will equal to 4. So this is equal to, and this one is x also, na? Yeah. This x is there. So here it is 4x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 3. So what we will do, we'll bring this 2 here. So this is equal to x square plus 5 minus 6. Here minus 2x minus 4x is equal to minus 3. So what we will do, x square plus, so minus 6x plus 5. This 3 we will bring here, so it will plus 3. This is equal to 0. So when we solve this one, x square minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. So this, the equation that we come over here, this is equal to this one. Okay, so now when we are discussing about what is the definition of this quadratic equation, so in the general form we said ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here what is the value of a? So let's x square. So this is equal to, let's take this one. So this is 1x square. So we'll see plus minus 6x plus this 8 is equal to 0. So you will take this one, compare this one. This a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus c, c is equal to 8. And the degree of this equation is 2. So we can say that whatever the equation that we have given, the given equation, whatever the given equation, this given equation we have, this is a quadratic equation. So this is in the form of a square x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Clear?